If your security camera is stuck in black and white during the day, or showing a distorted image even in bright light, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix these common CCTV image problems. A few days ago, we covered cameras that stay in black and white at night. But today, the focus is on cameras failing during the day. Whether it's video interference or a lack of color, we're going to solve it now. First, let's talk about image distortion, those lines or flickering on your screen. Usually, this is caused by cabling issues or the camera itself. To test this, unmount your camera and connect it to a cable from another camera that is working perfectly. If the image clears up, the problem is in your original video cable, power supply, or BNC connectors. You can also test the camera directly at the DVR using a short test wire to rule out long-distance interference. Now, what if there is no distortion but the camera has no color? Before replacing it, check the video technology. Many DVRs support AHD, TVI, and CVI. If the technology on the DVR channel doesn't match the camera, it will show in black and white. Try switching the channel mode in your DVR settings until the color returns. Also, check if the camera is stuck in night mode. Some cameras have an OSD menu where the day-night setting might be locked to night. Access the menu through your DVR's coaxial control or the camera's physical toggle to set it back to auto. If you have any questions, drop a comment below or reach out to our free technical support. All we ask in return is that you subscribe to the channel and like this video to support our work. To see more tutorials on security camera systems, click the playlist on the screen. God bless you.